में एक टीचर भी आप कितनों को पता है जो लोग उनके साथ हैं उनको छोड़ के? मोहित सर. So give a round of applause for Mohit Jain.
कॉफी पी रहा था, दुआएं लग गई. गुमसुम है कोई, नजर नादां था जो. गुमसुम है कोई, नजर नादा था जो. हसमुख था जो, वो अब मुझ में नहीं. हसमुख था जो, वो अब मुझ में नहीं. आई लव माई शी. I love my शी. I love my शी. Hello everyone and welcome once again to MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. I'm your host, your host and always in the ghost mode, Mohit Jain. In an Infosys examination, we have got 5 sections. Section 1 is reasoning ability. Section 2 is technical ability. Section 3 is verbal ability. Section 4 is pseudocode. And Section 5 is puzzles. Numbers puzzle, grid puzzles, what they will ask. For that, they will give you 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you need to solve 4 puzzles. And those 4 puzzles would be for 10 marks. 2 puzzles for 2 marks and 2 puzzles for 3 marks each. And there are many more companies like Goldman Sachs, Accenture also, which have of lately started giving puzzles of the kind that is being given in Infosys online assessments. So we'll practice few, and the drill, you know it's simple. Question is on your screen. Pause it, try to solve it yourself, and then we will discuss. So on this note, let's start now. Okay, so let's start this session with puzzles. And puzzles you will get. Few puzzles I'm offering you options, and few puzzles I will not give you options. So please try to identify the relationship among these first 2 grid, and then use that relationship to find what would be placed in place of question mark. Give it a try. So I hope that you must be having answer by now. Because see, 10 minutes, 4 puzzles in Infosys. They give very good puzzles, sometimes very poor puzzles also. But see, in puzzles, not always some mathematical thing need to be derived. It can be I for detailing type of question also. 41, 2, 4, 6. Okay, if I multiply these two, 41 into 6 is 246. Let's see. 52 into 7 is 35 and 1. 364. Bingo. We are getting 364. That means if at this place of question mark I put x, that means 5x should be equals to 375. That means value of x is 375 by 5. That is 7 times and 5, 75. The missing number in place should be 75. Okay, so you must have paused it and tried it. So let's see what we can have. 3, 7, 10, 13. This is 3, 3. And 12. Okay, if I fix this up, 7 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 13 plus 3. We can have 16 here. Okay. And then how this 12 is coming? 3 into 4 is 12. 7 into 12 is 84. 10 into 84 is 840. That means this number should be 13 into 840. 840 to 109. 10920. So this should be 10920. Answer is 16, 10920. Okay, different types of puzzles format has been taken up. In this session you will see. Try to locate some relationship with these four numbers so that we can get 44. Multiply, add, subtract and do something. 8, 3, 24, 28, no, 56 and 12, bingo. 8 into 7 is 56 and 4 into 3 is 12. So 56 minus 12 is giving 44. Let's see whether it fits here. 7 into 9 is 63 minus 32 will give 31. It fits here also. That means in place of question mark we will have 5 into 10, that is 50, minus 2 into 6, that is 12. 50 minus 12 is 38. I'll put 38 in place of this question mark. So let's try out something which is more realistic. How these numbers can be formed. 9, 7, 8, 5. This is, okay, 9 plus 8 is 17. And 5 plus 5 plus 7 is also 17. Let's check here. 15 plus 11 is 26. 2 plus 18 plus 6 is also 26. Bingo. That means 6 plus 17 is 23. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus x should be equals to 23. That means x is 23 minus 14. That is 9. I'll put 9 in this place. 9 should be the best pick. Different kind of formats, different kind of puzzles is being showcased in this particular session, and all are inspired from puzzles which we have actually seen at Infosys and Goldman Sachs examination. So yes, you will get these kind of questions. Do try it, and I know you have the solution by now. Okay, how we can get this 5 at the top? If I read this question, okay, this is simply 85 by 17 is 5. Let me check here. 76 by 19, 38, 76 is 4. Bingo. That means that question mark should be 91 by 13. That is 7. 7 should be the correct pick for this particular puzzle. These alphabet types of grid are their favorites. Like if I talk about Infosys or Goldman Sachs. Out of 4 that the Infosys offer you, at least 1 would be related to alphabets. And the best way to solve alphabets is just write their positional numbers. Like A is 1, Z is 26. Write these numbers and somehow you will get something. So A is 1, Z is 26. W is 23, C is 3, F is 6, S is 19, N is 14, and then J is 10. I use this E, J, O, T, Y, electronic jyoti, to remember these. E is 5th one, J is 10th, O is 15th, T is 20th, and Y is 25th alphabet or letter in that alphabet series. Now we are going to identify these two. Let's see how the pattern is moving if I am not wrong, it is moving in a zigzag manner. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Then 10 plus 5 should be here, 15. And the alphabet corresponding to 15th one is O. So here we should have an O. Now 26, 23. Okay, 26 minus 3 is 23. Minus 4 is 19. Minus 5 is 15. So here should we have minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 14 minus 6 is 8. We are looking out for the 8th alphabet, that is H. So the answer in these two positions will be O and H. Wonderful. We have solved one of this kind before, and let's try out some specification with that. How to get this 38. Okay, 6 into 5 is 30 and 2 into 4 is 8. That will give us 38. Let's try this. 7 into 7 is 49 plus 6 into 2 is 12. That will give us 61. Bingo. That means this question mark value should be 5 into 8 is 40 plus 8 into 7 is 56. That should be 96. I'll put 96 in this place. As we have discussed earlier also, the best way to do alphabet problem is write them with their positional numbers. So A is 1, J is 10, C is 3, then we have this X, and then F is 6. 1, 10, 3, 1, 6. Let me move like this. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Very good. Then 6 plus 4 is 10. That means after 10 I'll reach X. That will be 10 plus 5. So the value at this position X should be the 15th letter of this English alphabet, and that is O. Answer should be O. In place of question mark, we should have this alphabet O. Okay, whether it is in a circle or a rectangle, the identification process remains the same. Try to do something with the top two numbers and bottom two numbers and try to find the middle one. 4, 7, 28, 11, 11, no, 28, 18. Okay, it might fit. 4 into 7 is 28, 9 into 2 is 18, and this is 46. Bingo. Let's see here. 7 into 3 is 21, 8 into 4 is 32, and that is 53. Fit it. That means this question mark should be 5 into 6 is 30, plus 2 into 5 is 10. It should be 40. I'll go for 40 in this grid. So the process that we are following in these kind of grid is simple. Try to multiply, add, multiply or subtract, and try to locate whether we can get this middle number or not, isn't it? And I know you must have paused the session and you have the answer by now. Let's see what it should be. 110, this is 54 and 56. Wow, 54 and 56 is 110. 6 into 9 and 8 into 7. 6 into 9 is 54 and 8 into 7 is 56. That's give me 110. 2 into 7 is 14. 9 into 11 is 99. Bingo, it gives 113. That means in place of question mark, we should have 5 into 3, that is 15, plus 6 into 9, that is 54, and that is 69. 69 should be the option pick. Okay, the suggestion whenever we get a alphabetic grid is always if you can quickly write the numbers and check the pattern. B is 2, E is 5 and H is 8. D 4, I 9, N is 14, I 9, P 16, W is 23. So 2, 5, 8 plus 3 plus 3, 4, 5, 4, 9, 14. It's just the average also we can see. 2 and 8 average is 5, 4 plus 14 is 18, average is 9. 23 plus 9 is 32, average is 16. Let's see whether we can fit in this here. P16, S19 and this is 22. 22 plus 16 is 38. Bingo, it is fitting in. L12, Q17 and V is 22 again. So 17 into 2 is 34. 22 plus 12 is 34. A is 1, H is 8 and this is X. That means 8 into 2 is 16, which is equals to X plus 1. Therefore, X should be equals to 16 minus 1, that is 15. And the 15th letter is O. O should be featured at this point. Infosys love giving these kind of grids with alphabets. Do keep on practicing. Giving you time to pause, try to solve, and then look out for the option. This is not a replica, but this is exact question which was asked in Infosys November Drive. I love this, and that's why I put it on the screen. Please give it a try. It all depends upon your practice. More you practice, more readily you can see, you can identify the patterns. Some people always say that you have already solved a question, that's why you know what should be the pattern. It's not the case. If you will give me a question also, since we have solved so many puzzles, we try to use every सब अस्त्र शस्त्र लगाने की हम कोशिश करते हैं. So don't get fooled. It's all practice, because of which we are able to crack it in a little less time than the normal people. If you will also practice, obviously you will also be able to solve it in no time. 64, 36, 100 are square numbers. 8 is square, 6 is square, 10 is square. That was the first click. Then when I see this 16, and once I have written 8 is square, 16 automatically comes into my mind. 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 2, 12. 10 into 2, 20. X and Y should be 2 and 0. Option B is actually the pick. Yes, this one, exact question. And why I picked up this? Because this was the easiest of the lot. Sometimes it's so easy that we start investing time thinking that whether it can be that easy or not. Now, how it is so easy? Let's just identify how the numbers are moving. 4, 6, 8, 10, it is plus 2. 5, 8, 11, 14 is plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3. Now 6, 10, 18, The last one is 7, 12, that is 5, 5, 5. It is plus 5. This should be moving with plus 4 pattern, na? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 should be 14. Bingo. 14 plus 4 is 18. Mark on 14. Move on to the next one. Another 2-pointer, another one from the screen of Infosys examination. How? We should do it. Okay. Many of you are answering. Don't answer the wrong one. Why 14? 14 is there not in the option. Okay, let's see. 4, 10, not working. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So this should be 10 plus 5, 15, if I put 15 here. But what about these numbers? 6 minus 4 is 2. 15 minus 10 is 5. 12 minus 8 is 4. And 18 minus 12 is 6. Bingo. 15 fits in. Option C. Now this one is the 3-pointer mix of alphabets and numbers. Again, the drill is simple. Convert it into numbers, everything, and then give it a try. So let's use the numbers. B is 2, Y is 25, and M is 13. We have 8, 25. Let this be small x. P is 15, 16. D is 4. And H is 8. How the connection? How the connection? 32. 16 into 2 is 32. By 8 is 4. Okay. 25 into 4 is 100. By 25 is 4. 13 into 8. 13 into 8 by x should be 4. That means if x is 26, my assumption of getting 4 would fit in. I'll go with this. 26 is the answer. Option C is the pick. Okay. Columns, this one is missing. An exact question from Infosys Drive, I guess. Yes, it is. 640 by 8 will give 80, but 140, it is not divisible by 10. Now 8 plus 2 is 10, 64 by 10, 640 by 10 would be 64. 10 plus 22, 12 is 22. 1408. Let me change this. Divided by, if I go for 64, 2 times 128, and then again 128, 2 times. Bingo. That means if this is A, this is B, this is A plus B into 64, and this is also A plus B into 64. So A plus B is 74. 74 into 64, let's see. 4, 4, 16, 1, 28, 29 and 24 is 53, 5, 42, 47. 4, 7, 3, 6. Yes, that we have in option D. It should be 4, 7, 3, 6. Okay, another one is straight from the world of Infosys. 24, 4, 48. You can see that 24 into 2 is 48. That is half of 4. And 17 into 5, bingo. That means if this is x, Then 81 into x by 2 is 243. This will go 3 times. Value of x should be equals to 6. That is in option B. Okay, alphabets and numbers. A, B is 1, 2, and this is 14. C, D is 3, 4. F, G 67, 132, 9, and this is 10. Y, Z is 25, 26, missing number, and OP is 15, 16. Okay, 3 into 4 is 12, and 1 into 2 is 2. Bingo, 12 plus 2 is 14. Let's check here. 9 into 10 is 90, and 6 into 7 is 42. 90 plus 42 is 132. So this missing number should be 25 into 26. That is 650 plus 15 into 16, that is 240. Yes, 225, 240. So this is 890. Value here should be 890. That is in option D. As said, the combination of digits and alphabets are Infosys favorite. 274 AC is 13. This one is missing. CI is 39, and here we have 539. How we can do adjustment? 5 into 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Let's check. 9 into 4 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Wonderful. Then this place we should have 7 into 3, 21, plus 3, that is 24. Now 2 means B and 4 is D. So it should be BD at this point. Option B should be the fit. Okay, alphabets. Favorite of Infosys. They love giving alphabets, and we love doing alphabets. Just convert it into numbers. D is 4, E is 5, F is 6. Then H 8, K 11, P 16. This one is missing. H is 8 and K is 11. What kind of... okay, this is plus 10. And then this is minus 5. If I work like this, this is plus 6 and this is minus 3. Bingo. From first row to second row, whatever is added from second row to third row, half of that is deducted. So if 4 to 8 is plus 4, this should be minus 2. Half of 4 is 2, subtract from 8, that should be 6. And 6 represents F. Sixth position for the alphabet. F it is. Option A should be the fit here. Okay. Another grid and what to do? If we go row wise. Let's move column wise. 19, 7, 4, 3, bingo. 4 into 3 is 12, plus 7 is 19. Let us see if this is A, B, C. We are doing AC plus B. 5 into 5 is 25, plus 6 is 31. Bingo. Then this is A, B, C. A into C is 28, plus B is 38. value of b should be 10. In place of this question mark, I will put 10 and hence the grid would be completed. Okay, another interesting one and 2 vacant. 2, 3 and then is 6, 5. Okay, we can see 2 plus 3 is 5, addition, and 2 into 3 is 6. So here is multiplication, here is addition. So again, if I follow addition, 6 plus 5 is 11, bingo, that is what we are getting, and 6 into 5 is 30. So again, addition will go here, 30 plus 11 is 41, and multiplication should be 30 into 11 is 330. So answer should be 330 and 41. Yup. Let's take the next one. Okay. A majority of the time, these kind of grids, I've seen that there's something to do with the numbers, addition, subtraction, maybe. Let's see. 10. Okay. 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 17 and 4 plus 3 is 7. 17 minus 7 is 10. Let's see, are we getting the same thing here? 11 plus 8 is 19. 7 plus 2 is 9. Bingo. 19 minus 9 is 10. So here also same process we will follow. 8 plus 2 plus 5 is 15 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now 15 minus 7 is equals to 8. So in place of this question mark, I'll put 8. Okay, let's quickly check this one also. 2, 3, 4, but here it is not 5, 6, 7 or 8, 9, 10. No. Okay, it's just an average, I guess. 2 and 4 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 by 2 is 3 on the top. 7 plus 3 is 10 by 2, that is 5 on the top. That means 9 plus x by 2 should be 8, which is on the top. 9 plus x is 16. X should be equals to 16 minus 9, that is 7. Missing digit is 7 in this case, the average pattern they have followed. Okay. At the first glance, it looked like 28 or 2919 or 287. If I look at these as numbers, 28 into 7, 140 and 56, 196. Wonderful. So 7 into 28 is 196. 7 into 28, 196. If I follow the same pattern here, then x into 49 equals 196. X is 196 is 7 into 28 and this is 7 into 7, that is 49. You would be left with 4. So in place of this, I'll put 4. 4 should be the answer here.